Everybody, Bowling Fool here. So I've got the new Ebonite Crusher, the hybrid, the purple one that I think is already discontinued. They made an orange one and a purple one. This one has HK-22C on it. And I did a layout. I got this from Buddies for 70 bucks, 75 bucks. Killer deal. If you get a 16, they're a hell of a lot less. All right, here we go. Ebonite Crusher with a 1500 grit surface on it. The lanes are starting to dry up a little bit. We'll see what we can do with her. There we go. Good start to the game here. So Ebonite made two crushers. They made the orange one, without HK-22, and then shortly, maybe like a month or two later, they made this one, the purple one. They're both hybrids. The only difference is this one has HK-22C, which smells like citrus. So I got this for 70 bucks on Buddies. Killer deal. Don't sleep on the 16-pounders, folks. Oh, a little slow. So this is another ball that came with factory compound, and I quickly just brushed that right off the ball. Let's see if we can get this. I doubt it, but it's worth a shot. We are standing 25. Come on. There we go. I do like the purple look on this ball. It's pretty cool. I got this. I'm starting to build up a 16-pound arsenal. So I got this one, and I got the Wicked Collision. I've got the Beyond Infinity, and I have a High Road 40. And I may get another one. If they come up with another killer deal, I will get another 16-pound. Ah. We're gonna get behind the ball a little bit this time. There we go. I'm learning with this ball, you don't really have to force it. You just get behind it and it seems to do the trick. 25. Oh, there we go. Didn't think that was gonna strike. Come on. I hate splits. Man, better one than none. Come on. Yeah. Just let the ball do the work on this one for sure. 25, get behind it. Oh, nice messenger. That was a messenger on strings, folks. What do you know? A very rare sight indeed. See if I can get it here. There we go. Ooh, yeah. All right, so we have a 200 even there. And we had a couple splits there, so not my greatest game. So let me know if you have the Ebonite Crusher, the purple one, and let me know if you got any high scores on it. Like I said, I got it at Buddies for a really good price, $75, I believe. So if you liked the video, give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, folks. All right, so we just got back from the alley. I rolled the Ebonite Crusher 16-pound. What did I think of it? Meh. I'll give it a meh. It didn't really, there's no wow factor for me. I'm gonna still roll it and give it another chance. I put a 1500 grit surface on it, as you saw from the video. And I got behind the ball a little bit. When I got behind it, it shaped a little bit better, but I left a lot of 7 pins, a lot of 10 pins, and a few splits in there. So, like I said, I'll give it another try, but my initial impression is just, no wow factor. We're trying to shoot for 1,000 subscribers. That's my next target. And we have just over 250 left to go. I want to try to get it done by the end of the month. If not, by the end of the year, hopefully I'm going to pop out a couple more videos and hopefully we'll get some more subscribers. So I want to thank everybody out there for subscribing to my channel and showing some love. Once I get to 1,000, if we can get to 1,000 by the end of September, I'm giving away 2 balls, a brand new 15-pound Archetype Hybrid and a brand new 15-pound Sneak Attack in box. You can't get the Sneak Attack anymore. It's a very good ball. I'm giving that out as well too, if we can reach 1,000 by the end of the month. If not, then I'll give away your choice of one. So whoever wins, I'm gonna do a drawing once I get to 1,000, and the lucky winner is gonna get to choose between the Archetype Hybrid or the Sneak Attack. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, everybody.